We are happy. It is not cold today. Aren't you sleepy? Hello everyone, my name is Spencer from Cake English. Today we will review what we learned about using the be verb in the past 7 lessons. If you didn't watch those lessons, make sure you watch them before coming back to watch this video. It's time to test how much you remember and also practice a little more. Let's start. We learned that the be verb is a very common irregular verb in English. It's irregular because it changes a lot depending on the subject and tense. It can be used before a noun or adjective to talk about someone or something's identity, physical characteristics, qualities, personality, job, and so on. We use it to talk about the weather, time, and location or existence of something. Of course, we also use it to ask questions, and we can use it negatively. It's time for a quiz. Which of these sentences is wrong? A. I am a teacher. B. You is tall. C. Peter is Canadian. If you said B is wrong, great job. Both the second person singular and plural you is followed by are, not is. In the present tense with singular pronouns, the be verb becomes I am, you are, he is, and she is. It also becomes is when used with one person's name. Remember the contractions are I'm, your, he's, she's, and a person's name, apostrophe s. Which of these sentences is wrong? A. Tiffany and Paul is hungry. B. We are all excited. C. They are doctors. Did you say A is wrong? Then great job. Since there are 2 people, it is a plural subject. That means are is correct. Tiffany and Paul are hungry. In the present tense with plural pronouns, the be verb becomes we are, you are, and they are. It also becomes are when used with 2 or more people's names. Remember the contractions are we're, your, and their. Both can be added if it's a group of 2, and all can be added for a group larger than 2. Which of these sentences is correct? A. Not I am a girl. B. You not are friendly. C. We are not busy. If you said C is the correct sentence, you're right. To make a negative statement, not comes after the be verb. So A should be, I am not a girl. And B should be, you are not friendly. Remember that you have choices to make contractions. You can join the subject and be verb like in positive sentences. For instance, I am not fat becomes, I'm not fat. Or you can make a contraction with the be verb and not. Remember that it only works with is and are, isn't and aren't. You can't make a contraction with am and not. So, you are not my friend can become, you aren't my friend. Which of these sentences is wrong? A. Am I not your best friend? B. Isn't he outgoing? C. Sleepy are they? If you said C is wrong, you're correct. When using the be verb to make questions, the be verb should always start the question. So the correct question would be, are they sleepy? When making negative be questions, remember that the formal version is to use not after the subject, like in answer A. Am I not your best friend? The more natural and casual way is to make a contraction with the be verb and not, like in B. Isn't he outgoing? Remember that am and not become aren't. So answer A can become, aren't I your best friend? Do you remember how to use the dummy subjects it and their? Which of these sentences is wrong? A. There is no bananas left. B. It's rainy today. C. There are 3 classes in the afternoon. If you said A is wrong, you're right. Bananas is plural, so it should be there are no bananas left. Remember that there is used with singular and plural nouns to talk about the existence, location, or amount of things or people. There is can become theirs, and there are can become there. There are 3 classes in the afternoon. To use there negatively, add no or not any. You can make the contractions isn't any or aren't any. There aren't any bananas left. It is always used with is because it's singular. The contraction is its. As a dummy subject, it gives information about weather or time, like in answer B. It's rainy today. It can also be a pronoun to replace an object or animal noun. The cat is cute. It's cute. Add not after is to make it negative. Remember that you can make the contraction isn't. It isn't sunny right now. Which of these sentences is correct? A. These milk is not fresh. B. This is my homework. C. Those socks are mine socks. If you said B is correct, you're right. This and that are singular. That means A should be, this milk is not fresh. In B, it's a pronoun, but you can use this or that in front of a noun to make it an adjective. This paper is my homework. Remember that this is something close to you and that is something far away. Those and these are plural. They can be used as pronouns or in front of plural nouns as an adjective. These is used for things close to you and those is used for things far away. Also, these demonstratives can be used to express ownership by finishing the sentence with a possessive adjectives and noun, like in B. This is my homework. You can also finish the sentence with a possessive pronoun with no noun. So answer C should be, those socks are mine, or those socks are my socks. To make a negative sentence, just add not after is or are. Lastly, do you remember how to use be in the past tense? Which of these sentences is wrong? A. I were hungry. B. Was he a surgeon? C. You weren't happy. If you said A is wrong, you're right. Am and is become was, and are becomes were. So it should be, I was hungry. To make a negative statement, add not after was or were. And you can use the contractions wasn't and weren't, like in answer C. You weren't happy. To make a question, start the question with was or were, like in answer B. Was he a surgeon? To make a negative question, you can put not after the subject to make it more formal, or you can start with wasn't or weren't to make it more natural and casual. Wasn't he a surgeon? This means, I think he was a surgeon. Am I right? Great job reviewing the very important be verb. Try making your own sentences to practice in the comment section. If you are interested in learning English more easily, check out the classes feature on the Cake app. You'll see all the lectures, learn through real video clips, practice your speaking, and take quizzes step by step. It will help you improve your English in a fun and easy way. And I'll see you next time. Bye!